Python and what are comment characters in this Python. So before starting the video, I have created one playlist in which all these videos of this Python course will be there. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and like the video. So guys, we will open our folder which we have made in our earlier videos. We will open this folder with our Visual Studio Code. For doing this, we have to right click in this folder and click on this icon open with code. And you can see that our folder is open with Visual Studio Code. So we will make a new file. This is our 5th tutorial, so I will write it as tune5.py and hit the enter key, and you can see a new file has made. So we will write a function print. We have discussed about print in the previous video, and write in double quotations subscribe now and run it, and you can see no error has occurred and our print as statement has been printed. Or if I write subscribe code unload and run it, you can see code unload has been written here. There is no problem till this now. So now if you are working with 2 or more people in this program, and if you leave, if you have done your programming and you have to leave, and other people have to work in this program only, and you have to tell them people that don't remove this file. So basically you will write here that don't remove this line, and he will read this line and he will get to know that he did not have to remove this file. And if I run this file, it will give us an error because this is not in syntax of writing a Python program. You will see, let's run it, and you can see here is an error, invalid syntax. For doing it perfectly, what we have to do, we have to add an hash symbol here, which will create this a comment, not a syntax of a Python program. So now we will run it, and we can see the subscribe code unload now is printed, don't have this line removed. So if this is the one line comment, if you have to make a multi-line comment, like you have written this is a multi-line comment, and you will, and to comment it, you will not include hash in all the lines. What you have to do, you have to, in the first line you have to include 3 double quotes, and in the last line you have to include 3 double quotes. And save this file and run this, and you will see that subscribe code unload now has only printed, not these all. And if you have to make a comment after this print statement, what you simply will do, you will put a hash here and write anything that this is a comment and run it, and you can see there is no error. And if you have to write something before this print statement, what will you do? You will make a hash and write this is also a comment, and you will run it, and you can see nothing is printed because you have put it a comment in front of this. So this whole line is being commented out. If I will uncomment this line and remove this statement and save it, and you can see the subscribe code unload now is printed. So what you have to do, you have to make a comment in a new line or after a statement or a function. And now if we have to write one more print statement here, so we will simply write print and write our statement that please like this video also, and you will run that, and you can see that no error had occurred. For any purpose, if you had to make these both print statements in a one line, so what you will do, in first print statement you will put a comma and write end is equals to and write double quotations. It means that in the end of this print statement add a blank statement, means nothing. So in this blank statement another print statement will start. So if you run it, and you can see both these are in same line, and you can now see that there is no space between now and please. So what we will do, we will add in the blank space a comma, and you can see there will be a comma instead of a blank space. So if you want here to add a space only instead of comma, so you will make a space and hit the enter key, and you can see that there is a space between them. So guys, I think you have understand this print statement function and how to convert two lines in one line. So we will comment this out and write another print function, print, and write, suppose we have to write where we have downloaded a Python. So we will write a path in local disk C and a backward slash, and we have downloaded in users. So suppose if you have downloaded in this users folder and you will run it, and you can see there will be an error because this slash is known as escape sequence character in Python. For doing this, we have to, for making this a C users only, we have to add one more backward slash. For this, and for this time we will run, we can see there is no error. These are some special characters which are used in Python. And suppose if here is T users, and you have not escaped this sequence, and you can see there will be a space, because forward slash T denotes a space of a tab, and if you will write one more forward slash, you can see that there will be normal C T user. And if there is, suppose if there is n users, and you will write, and you can see it is in next line because slash forward slash n is a new line character. Anything which is written after the forward slash n, it will come in new line because this is a new line character. If you want to see which are the escape sequence character, you can search. So we will run a window and we will type escape sequences in Python and hit the enter key, and you will see the site of Python, and you will click on this and you will able to see which are the new line characters, and here you can see which are the new line characters and all of this stuff. So guys, thank you for this video and stay tuned for another video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you don't have seen this all the videos of this playlist, see them and watch them, because all the videos of this Python course will be there. And if you have any doubt in any of the video, you can feel free to comment in the comment box. Thank you guys.